lived with compromise for way too long. The lack of control. Energy bills that keep rising. That's why you need to experience life with ecobee 3 Lite. It lights up as you approach. Kinda like he does. It delivers comfort, so you can just be. It supports room sensors that deliver the right temperature to the rooms that matter most. The room sensors also know if your home is occupied, to save you even more when you're away. ecobee 3 Lite uses the outside temperature to always keep you comfortable at home.
Smart, isn't it?
And it can be controlled from virtually anywhere. It even adjusts your away setting when you're not home. And you're gonna love falling asleep and waking up in perfect comfort. It works with your day-to-day routines to deliver comfort when you're home and savings when you're away. Saving you an average of 23% annually on your heating and cooling costs, which means at just $169, it pays for itself in no time. ecobee 3 Lite, the smarter Wi-Fi thermostat that helps you live better and save more.
Alexa, turn on the kitchen.
Today's homes are filled with connected devices. Creating a cohesive and seamless experience that ties all your devices together is now more important than ever. SmartThings is the easy way to turn your home into a smart home. Get started with the Samsung SmartThings Hub, the brain of your smart home. It wirelessly connects your devices and makes them work together. Control and manage hundreds of different compatible devices, all through the SmartThings app. Receive alerts from connected devices, automate them to turn on and off, and create scenes like good morning and goodbye. You can even control your home with your voice by connecting SmartThings with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. With the SmartThings motion sensor, know when there's unexpected movement in your home and receive alerts in real time right through your phone. Save yourself time and energy by letting your room know when you've entered and left without lifting a finger. And with a magnetic mount, you can place the sensor anywhere and direct it where you want it. The SmartThings multi-purpose sensor lets you know when doors and windows are opened or closed. Set automatic routines when you leave home. and set connected lights to turn on and off as you open doors and cabinets. Turn any ordinary household device into a smart device with a SmartThings outlet. Take control of your lights, electronics, and even small appliances, all from your smartphone. Or even get a little extra help from any compatible voice assistants. Take control of multiple connected devices with the touch of a SmartThings button. Place control of all your favorite scenes, settings, and devices within reach. Accidents don't happen conveniently. But whether you're close by or on the go, the SmartThings water leak sensor will alert you immediately so you can take action. Place the sensor under sinks, by water heaters, or other appliances. SmartThings, the easy way to turn your home into a smart home.